Wolves are among the most iconic and fascinating animals in the wild, often capturing the imagination of people worldwide with their mystery and majesty. Scientifically known as Canis lupus, wolves are part of the family Canidae, which includes other canines such as domestic dogs, foxes, and coyotes. They have distinct characteristics: large, muscular bodies, powerful jaws, sharp teeth, and a thick fur coat that insulates them against cold environments. Their fur colors range from gray to black to white, depending on their habitat. Wolves are resilient animals, and they can survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. This adaptability allows them to thrive in forests, tundras, deserts, and mountainous areas across the Northern Hemisphere. Wolves have a rich diversity of subspecies, each with unique characteristics. The gray wolf, perhaps the best-known species, is the most widespread and can be found in North America, Europe, and Asia. Gray wolves have grayish-brown fur, although some individuals may have black, white, or reddish-brown coats. Their strong build and muscular frame make them excellent hunters. The Arctic wolf, on the other hand, lives in the extreme conditions of the Arctic tundra. These wolves have almost entirely white coats that help them blend in with the snowy landscape, making them nearly invisible to prey and predators alike. In the southeastern United States, red wolves can be found. They are a smaller, rarer species, recognized for their reddish-brown fur, which distinguishes them from their gray and Arctic relatives. The Mexican wolf, another unique subspecies, is smaller and has distinctive markings of gray, black, and brown on its fur. Though each type of wolf has adapted to its specific environment, they all share the core characteristics that make them quintessential members of the wolf family. One of the most captivating aspects of wolves is their social structure. Wolves are highly social animals that live in family groups known as packs. Packs are typically composed of around 6 to 10 wolves, although some may grow larger in areas where food is plentiful. This pack structure is essential for survival, as it allows wolves to coordinate their efforts when hunting, defending territory, and caring for young pups. Each pack has a clear hierarchy, with the alpha male and alpha female serving as the leaders. The alphas make important decisions for the group, such as where to hunt or when to rest. They are the dominant members and usually the only ones who breed, ensuring that the strongest genes are passed down to the next generation. The beta wolf is second in rank, supporting the alphas and helping maintain order. At the lowest level of the hierarchy is the omega wolf, who plays a unique role by absorbing tensions within the group. While the omega is often the subject of playful teasing, it is also an essential part of the pack's social fabric, helping reduce conflicts among higher-ranking wolves. Wolves are exceptional hunters, and their hunting tactics reveal a high level of intelligence and coordination. They are primarily carnivorous and rely on large mammals such as deer, elk, and moose for food. When hunting, wolves employ a combination of endurance, strategy, and teamwork. Unlike many predators that rely on ambush tactics, wolves pursue their prey over long distances. They can run at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour for short bursts but often maintain a slower pace to conserve energy during extended chases. The pack works together to encircle and exhaust their prey, using clever tactics to trap it in a vulnerable position. Once the prey is weakened, the wolves move in for the kill, ensuring a successful hunt. This cooperation and strategic thinking demonstrate their remarkable problem-solving abilities and their reliance on each other to survive. Communication is essential in the lives of wolves, as it helps them maintain order within the pack and coordinate during hunts. Wolves communicate in various ways, including vocalizations, body language, and scent marking. Perhaps the most iconic wolf sound is the howl. Wolves howl to announce their presence, establish their territory, and locate pack members over long distances. Each wolf has a unique howl that allows others to recognize its identity, even from miles away. This haunting sound can travel across vast stretches of wilderness, serving as both a call to members and a warning to rivals. In addition to howling, wolves use body language to convey emotions and establish their position within the pack hierarchy. For instance, a dominant wolf may hold its tail high and keep its body stiff, while a submissive wolf may lower its head and tuck its tail between its legs. Scent marking is another vital form of communication for wolves. They use scent glands on their paws, urine, and feces to mark boundaries, signaling other animals to respect their territory and stay away. Beyond their captivating behaviors and social structures, wolves play a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of their ecosystems. As apex predators, wolves help control the populations of large herbivores like deer, elk, and moose. Without wolves, these prey animals could overpopulate and deplete vegetation, leading to erosion and harming smaller animals that depend on the same vegetation for survival. By keeping prey populations in check, wolves ensure that plant life can regenerate and provide habitats for various species. This ripple effect, known as a trophic cascade, highlights the importance of wolves in promoting biodiversity. In Yellowstone National Park, for example, the reintroduction of wolves in the 1990s led to a revitalization of the ecosystem. As wolf populations grew, deer and elk numbers decreased, allowing vegetation along rivers to recover. This, in turn, provided habitats for beavers, birds, and other wildlife, demonstrating the positive impact wolves can have on an environment. The relationship between wolves and humans has been complex throughout history. In ancient cultures, wolves were often revered as symbols of strength, loyalty, and wisdom. They appeared in folklore, mythologies, and tribal stories, often embodying both protective and fearsome qualities. However, wolves were also feared, particularly in agricultural societies where they were sometimes seen as threats to livestock and human settlements. This fear led to widespread hunting and trapping of wolves, which decimated their populations in many areas. By the 20th century, wolves had been eradicated from large parts of the United States and Europe due to intensive hunting and habitat destruction. Today, however, there is a growing recognition of the importance of conserving wolves and protecting their habitats. Efforts are underway to protect wolves through legal protections, reintroduction programs, and public education initiatives. These conservation efforts aim to ensure that wolves can coexist with humans and continue to play their vital role in nature. In addition to their ecological significance, wolves have unique qualities that make them even more intriguing. For example, wolves possess incredible endurance, allowing them to travel great distances in search of food. They have thick, double-layered fur that insulates them against extreme cold, enabling them to survive in sub-zero temperatures. This adaptation makes wolves one of the few large predators capable of living in harsh winter conditions. Wolves are also highly loyal to their pack members, forming close bonds that last throughout their lives. This loyalty and social cohesion reflect a level of emotional intelligence that is rare in the animal kingdom, making wolves more similar to humans in some ways than we might realize. Beyond endurance and loyalty, wolves are also exceptional problem solvers. Studies have shown that wolves can solve complex puzzles, work together to overcome obstacles, and even display planning behaviors. Their high intelligence, combined with their social structure, makes them highly adaptable to changes in their environment. This adaptability has allowed wolves to survive despite human expansion, climate change, and other challenges. In conclusion, wolves are far more than just wild predators. They are remarkable animals with complex social lives, impressive hunting techniques, and an essential role in their ecosystems. Their structured pack dynamics, sophisticated communication methods, and environmental contributions make them vital to the health of many natural habitats. The relationship between wolves and humans has had its ups and downs, marked by both fear and fascination. Yet, as we gain a better understanding of wolves and their importance to biodiversity, we find ourselves increasingly committed to their conservation. By protecting wolves and their habitats, we also protect the delicate balance of nature that supports countless other species. As we continue to learn about these magnificent creatures, it becomes clear that wolves are not just symbols of wilderness and freedom. They are essential allies in our shared effort to preserve the beauty and integrity of the natural world.